Welcome to Autobike Reviews, your trusted place for the latest updates on cars and bikes. Today we're talking about the 2025 Suzuki Maruti Omni van, a comeback that's been creating serious buzz in the Indian automobile market. Background: the Maruti Omni was once a household name in India, known for its practicality, affordability, and versatility. Discontinued a few years ago due to safety and emission regulations, the Omni left behind a huge fan following. Now in 2025, Suzuki has reintroduced the Omni in an all-new avatar that blends nostalgia with modern technology. Design features: the new Omni retains its boxy, van-like silhouette, but now looks sharper and more premium. It comes with LED headlights, sliding doors, and a redesigned grille. Inside, the van offers a more spacious cabin, improved seating comfort, and essential safety features like airbags, ABS, and a stronger body frame. Suzuki has clearly focused on making it family-friendly as well as practical for small businesses. Engine performance: under the hood, the 2025 Omni is expected to feature a 1.2-liter petrol engine with improved fuel efficiency. There are also strong rumors of a CNG variant and even an electric model being tested for the future, which would make the Omni more eco-friendly and cost-efficient for daily use. Market position pricing: Maruti Suzuki aims to position the Omni as an affordable multi-purpose van for both families and commercial buyers. While the official price hasn't been confirmed, industry experts suggest it could start around her 6 lakhs, making it one of the most budget-friendly utility vehicles in 2025. Final thoughts: the 2025 Suzuki Maruti Omni van is more than just a car. It's the return of an icon. With modern safety, better design, and efficient performance, it has the potential to win back its loyal customers while appealing to a new generation. Outro. This was our quick review of the 2025 Maruti Omni. Stay tuned to Autobike Reviews for more updates on cars and bikes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest auto news.